Hi Year 1. Okay, before you open this lesson, you should have done the doubles song. Hopefully you're starting to learn those doubles facts automatically. We're going to keep practicing them throughout the term, so hopefully you can recall them quickly. All right, now in today's lesson, we are going to look at turnarounds in addition. So remember, addition means adding, or when we're doing our plus sums, we're making more. And we've looked at turnarounds before, very briefly. We're going to look at them again today. Now, sometimes it matters what order you do things in. So if I went to the fridge to get some food out, I would have to open the door before I could get the food out. When I put my earrings in, I have to put my earring through my ear before I put the back on. I have to put toothpaste on my toothbrush before I can brush my teeth. When I go for a drive, I have to start the car before I can drive it. So sometimes it matters what order you do things in. Sometimes it doesn't. So I'm wondering if you can think of some things, pause it here if you like, pause it here and think of some things that you can do, but it doesn't matter which order you do them in. I'll give you an example. When I'm getting ready for school, I can put my shoes on before I put my hat on, or I could do it the other way around. I could put my hat on and then put my shoes on. It doesn't really matter which way I do it. When I'm getting ready for school, I could wash my face before I brush my teeth, or I could brush my teeth and then wash my face. It doesn't really matter. I could get my bowl ready for my cereal in the morning before I get my spoon out. Or I could do it the other way around. I could get the spoon out and then the bowl. It doesn't really matter. So today we're going to look at whether it matters which way we look at an addition sum. So to do that, let's look at a word problem. Okay, here's my word problem for the day. I ate 3 Easter eggs one day, and the next day I ate 6. How many have I eaten? Let's start with showing the two parts. I've got, hopefully you've got a coat hanger or something that you can use as well. Oh, here it is. Okay, we need to make our two parts. So if I turn this around, I've got the two parts. I ate 3 Easter eggs one day, and the next day I ate 6. Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I have my two parts, and we can write that on our part-whole model to show the two parts. Now, let's see if we can work out how many altogether. We know when we do addition that we are making a bigger number. We're joining them together. So I know that there was 3 here. I don't need to start again because I know there's 3. I just count on from there. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I had 9 Easter eggs. I wonder what will happen to the whole if I turn it around. Turn the coat hanger. Let's have a look. Are the parts the same? Do I still have 3 Easter eggs somewhere? Yeah, they're just on this side. Do I still have the 6 for the second day? Yep, 2, 4, 6. I still have the same parts. I wonder if the whole will change. This time I'm going to start at the 6, okay, because I've turned it around. I know there's 6 here. I don't need to count those again. I'm going to start at 6. 6, 7, 8, 9. The whole is the same. So it doesn't matter if I say 3 plus 6 or 6 plus 3, the answer will be the same. I wonder which one would be the easiest number to start at. Would it be easier to work it out saying 3, add on 6 more? Or do you think it would be easier to do it by starting at 6 and just counting on 3 more? Yeah, it's easier to start at the big number because we already know how many are there, and just counting on the last few. So you're going to do this with the problems on your planning. Your mum or dad has them, and you are going to show them each problem like this. Oh, hold it a bit higher. So you're going to show the two parts and the whole. Now we've already worked out that when you do addition, right, when you're doing adding, if you change the two parts around, the whole does not change. So if I look at this, I can say 3 plus 6 equals 9, and I know that 6 plus 3 equals 9. What you might do then is take your pen, and I want you to just circle the one that would be the easiest way to work out this sum. Remember, the easiest one is starting at the bigger number. So if I was thinking about, if somebody gave me the sum 3 plus 6, I would probably, in my head, turn the two numbers around so I could start at 6 and count on 3 more. 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 is my answer. So you need to continue with that, with the other word problems that are on the planning sheet, please. Have fun adding, have fun turning around.